How to transfer USDT from Binance to another wallet. First thing you have to do is make sure that you have your Binance account logged in. Once you open up the app, you'll see all of your total balance and the cryptos that you have that are popular in the market on your home screen. Now you're going to have to go to the wallet or the portfolio section at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, all you have to do here is find the USDT button. So under assets, just go ahead and search for USDT. If you don't find it, I have it shown right here on top, but what you can do is tap on the search icon right besides the asset button and then search for USDT. And once you tap on it, you'll have an option to deposit or withdraw the crypto. Just tap on deposit. Then from here, you can enter the deposit address that you have from the receiver. So tap the deposit address from the receiving end and you can select your network. Currently here it automatically matches the network, but just to be sure, you can just make sure that you double check the address. Then enter the minimum amount, and once you've sent that, tap on the withdraw button at the bottom right corner. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.